This could be a sauce. You could use it on a salad. You could use it for dip. And you can make it as thick or creamy as you like. So let's get this done. I just have some cottage cheese. This is small curd, 2% milk fat. You could use whatever milk fat you want. You could do whole fat, 4%, 2%, do you? Or you could even do non-fat. But I just feel this tastes good, and this is just perfect for me as far as the 2%. And yeah, so I have my cottage cheese, and this is what I use. This is the restaurant style dressing. And it depends on how much seasoning you like. You know, adjust it to your liking. You could use less, more, you could use the whole packet. It all depends on what you're going for. And I think, to be honest, the whole package for this amount, this is 16 ounces of cottage cheese. I just feel you could probably use all of it. And I think I'm going to use almost all of it. Let's see. I'll leave a little bit in here because I'm going to give it a taste test. And if I want to add more, I'll add more. Add some black and white pepper. I love the black and white peppercorns together. If you haven't tried white pepper, try it out. You're going to love it. I've been trying to find one that is just white pepper. I think I'm just going to have to buy the corns and get me a refillable pepper grinder. All right, now. So I have the pepper in. Now I'm going to squeeze a bit of lemon. You could use a bit of lemon. If you like vinegar, go ahead and add a little bit of regular white vinegar. I just like to add just a little bit of zest to it. It just brings out the flavor. So before I add a bit of extra virgin olive oil, I'm going to blend this up a bit. Tap some of it off the top of this and then start over. I'm going to add just a bit of extra virgin olive oil. Not too much, just a little drizzle. Now that I have my olive oil blended in and I blended it up a bit more, I'm going to give this a taste test. And keep in mind, you don't really need the olive oil, but it does make it more creamy. And if you're going to use this over a salad, it's just perfect. So I'm doing this for a salad right now and a dip. I'm going to give it a taste test. Let's see if we need to add any more of the seasoning. You can see it's nice and creamy already, but I am going to whip it up some more. Oh my goodness. Let's whip this up some more. I think I'm going to leave it like this. And I have a bit of seasoning left over to sprinkle on whatever I want to sprinkle it on. Just adding a little bit more, not too much. I still have some left over. Let's mix this up and you're done. You could use a regular blender. You could use a food processor. Whatever gets the job done, you're good to go. This is what I do when I want ranch dressing. Stir it up for you so you can see how creamy it is. You would never know this is cottage cheese if nobody didn't tell you and it got served to you on a table with some vegetables or with some wings. Nobody would know the difference because it's that delicious. And keep in mind, I only used a drizzle of olive oil. That's all you need. And a bit of lemon. Sprinkle of pepper with your Hidden Valley Ranch dry seasoning. delicious. I don't know if you'd call this a hack. I don't know what you call this. Easy recipe, I guess, of some sort. But this is delicious, and whenever I want some ranch and I'm craving some ranch with something, or I want ranch on my salad instead of a vinaigrette, this is what I do. Try it out. You're going to love it, and I'll see you in my next upload. My carrot pile is a lot smaller. Sorry if you hear crunching in the background.